Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be creating this minimal makeup look, but before starting the video, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for notification. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. So starting with a moisturizer, and then I'm using Maybelline Duo Shaper to do my eyebrows. As this is a minimal makeup, so I will not be doing any feature very prominent, so I will be using all the products very light-handed. There is no hard and fast rule of doing all the steps that I have done. You can pick any of the part and use it in your everyday makeup. To hide the imperfections and darkness on my face, I'm using a brightening compact, and this one is by Nilf USA. You can use any compact that gives a little bit of coverage so that you can use it as a base. So I'm applying the compact a little more on the areas that I want to give more coverage, like around my forehead and under my eyes. I will be leaving the eyelid part so that it gives the effect of an eyeshadow. To give the eyes a little bit of shine, I am using a transparent lip balm. This one is by Jovees Tea Rose Lip Balm, and you can even use a Vaseline to do the same. Using this or any transparent lip balm as a highlighter, it will give a very nice and natural sheen to your face. Use any waterproof mascara. Here I am using a Lakme Iconic. It is not waterproof and it is winters, so I am using this one, but use a waterproof mascara. As a blush, I am using a tinted lip balm. You can use whatever you have. It just need a little bit of color in it, so it gives a nice glow to your face and adds a little bit of color. Using the same lip balm on my lips. Now highlighting the rest of the high points of my face. So here is the final look. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. It is not possible for me to review and update each and everything here, so I keep updating posts on my Instagram and Facebook as reviews of some products, DIYs and some tips and tricks. So to know all that, you can follow me on my social accounts. The links are in the description box. If you follow me on my social accounts, you must be aware of my problem that I'm dealing with some eyesight issue. Have to avoid screens as much as possible. I will not be active as I was. Will try to update whenever possible till my eyesight gets little better. So head over to my Instagram to be updated. Thank you.